Hello everyone. Question is a company receives food orders from multiple partners. The company has a microservices application that uses Amazon API Gateway APIs with AWS Lambda integration. Each partner sends orders by calling a customized API that is exposed through API Gateway. The API call invokes a shared Lambda function to process the orders. Partners need to be notified after the Lambda function processes the orders. Each partner must receive updates for only the partner's own orders. The company wants to add new partners in the future with the fewest code changes possible. Which solution will meet these requirements in the most scalable way? Option A, create a different Amazon Simple Notification Service Amazon SNS topic for each partner. Configure the Lambda function to publish messages for each partner to the partner's SNS topic. Option B, create a different Lambda function for each partner. Configure the Lambda function to notify each partner's service endpoint directly. Option C, create an Amazon Simple Notification Service Amazon SNS topic. Configure the Lambda function to publish messages with specific attributes to the SNS topic. Subscribe each partner to the SNS topic. Apply the appropriate filter policy to the topic subscriptions. Option D, create one Amazon Simple Notification Service Amazon SNS topic. Subscribe all partners to the SNS topic. Correct answer is option C. Question is, a financial company must store original customer records for 10 years of legal reasons. A complete record contains personally identifiable information (PII). According to local regulations, PII is available to only certain people in the company and must not be shared with third parties. The company needs to make the records available to third-party organizations for statistical analysis without sharing the PII. A developer wants to store the original immutable record in Amazon S3. Depending on who accesses the S3 documents, the documents should be returned as is or with all the PII removed. The developer has written an AWS Lambda function to remove the PII from the document. The function is named remove PII. What should the developer do so that the company can meet the PII requirements while maintaining only one copy of the document? Option A, set up an S3 event notification that invokes the remove PII function when an S3 GET request is made. Call Amazon S3 by using a GET request to access the object without PII. Option B, set up an S3 event notification that invokes the remove PII function when an S3 put request is made. Call Amazon S3 by using a put request to access the object without PII. Option C, create an S3 object Lambda access point from the S3 console. Select the remove PII function. Use S3 access points to access the object without PII. Option D, create an S3 access point from the S3 console. Use the access point name to call the getObject legal hold S3 API function. Pass in the remove PII function name to access the object without PII. Correct answer is option C. Question is, a developer is deploying an AWS Lambda function. The developer wants the ability to return to older versions of the function quickly and seamlessly. How can the developer achieve this goal with the least operational overhead? Option A, use AWS OpsWorks to perform blue-green deployments. Option B, use a function alias with different versions. Option C. Maintain deployment packages for older versions in Amazon S3. Option D. Use AWS code pipeline for deployments and rollbacks. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.